Hello, welcome to my channel. Today is a very cold day in Joburg. Today we decided to make some lovely butter chicken pasta. We made a butter chicken before and a lot of people liked it. So today we decided to make a new pasta recipe with butter chicken. But it's slightly different from a normal butter chicken. My ingredients are, I've got 500 gram of breast chicken that I cubed, and I marinated it with the butter chicken spice, 2 tablespoons, and a splash of lemon juice, and a tablespoon of ginger garlic, and 2 tablespoons of oil. And then I gave a grind of black pepper to it. For the braising, I've got 100 gram of salted butter, 1 onions grated, and here I have 3 small tomatoes which are grated. Today we are using less tomatoes. And I have a teaspoon of salt for tasting. So I'm just going to grate in some, add cheese to my pasta. Then for my greens, I have some fresh thyme and some fresh dhania and some spring onions to garnish. I'm also going to use a cup of coconut cream, and also I have here 250 ml fresh cream, of which I'm going to use half. And this is my penne pasta that I'm going to boil half the packet. Now we are ready to braise the butter chicken sauce for the pasta. I've got my pan heated up to medium heat, and I'm just going to add in my butter to melt. My butter has melted down, and add in my onions to it. I'll allow these onions to fry out. My onions are frying out, so to these onions I'm going to add in my thyme. And now I'm ready to just drop in my chicken. Give it a good mix. And to my chicken I'm going to add in my salt. I'll allow this chicken to fry for about 8 to 10 minutes. 8 minutes has passed. And I'm not going to allow the chicken to be fully done, because I'm going to add in my tomatoes and let it thicken. I'll give this another 5 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm going to put my pasta to boil. My water is coming to a boil. I added salt, a teaspoonful of salt, and I also gave a generous splash of oil to the water. So to the water, I'm going to add in half a bag of my pasta. And this can be able to feed 4 people. So that is about 250. My tomatoes are cooked into the chicken. To this chicken, I'm going to add in my half a cup of coconut cream, and I'll allow this to get thick. 5 minutes has passed and my curry is thick. I'm adding in my half a cup of fresh cream to it. And I also have here 50 grams of grated cheese that I'm going to add in. So the sauce will get a little thicker. We'll give this 2 to 3 minutes and then we're ready to garnish. 2 minutes has passed and our curry is done. So I'm just going to garnish and switch my stove off. And when our pasta gets ready, then we are ready to serve. Here you go, your lovely butter chicken pasta topped with some extra cheese. It's looking so delicious. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.